All right, we are back. We're not gonna waste any time here. Let's just get right into it. So this is just a follow-up to the last video, which you guys saw me bringing my Tesla back to the service center because we had some minor issues. For one, the left lower rocker panel had a scratch. You guys saw it. I'll show it again. Then there was a panel gap I noticed on the right passenger door, and then some paint chip, which I only noticed afterwards. Tesla took care of us, and I have to say, the people at Tesla are so nice. They all love their jobs. The person I interacted with the most, her name is Cheyenne. Cheyenne, if you're watching, I'm very happy with your service. You were very kind. Originally, it was supposed to be 1 to 2 hours. When we got there, Cheyenne told me that it was going to take about 2 to 3 days. So instead, I just got a loaner. It was a 2020 Tesla Model 3. And then 2 days later, I got a message from the service center letting me know that my car was ready for pickup. So I picked it up. I tried to do a cool video while I was at Tesla. My drone wasn't working for some reason. It's been 3 years now, and I knew I needed an update. And it's been giving me issues with flying and stuff. Unfortunately, rest in peace, TyDrone. You were good to me, but we have to upgrade drones now. So I'm looking at maybe possibly getting a Mavic Air 2, but we're kind of getting away from the topic here. This video is gonna be a little bit all over the place. So got the car back. Everything looks great, so I'm very happy. So this brings me to the next thing I wanted to share in this video, which is this thing right here. This is the LIFX Beam. I've been wanting this for so long now, probably 6 months. I've been trying to get my hands on this, and I think YouTubers started seeing, or people just started seeing, that this was a cool addition to their desk or office setup, and they just went crazy. They went ham and just fucking bought this shit. And I was trying to get my hands on one, couldn't find any. The ones I could find were reselling for $350. Mind you, this thing's $120. So I was like, you know what, I'll wait. I went on Best Buy. I put myself on a waiting list. I got an email, and I went and picked this up, I want to say last week. But I wanted to do a little unboxing for you guys, so I just left it alone. And now we're gonna do an unboxing. Honestly, I don't even have the setup to do an unboxing. I just wanted to share with you guys, So yeah, let's get to it. This just took my desk to a whole new level. It gets even better because you have the app and you can play around with it. I already downloaded it. And now let's mess around with the app and see what we get. A theme or something. That's kind of dope. Actually, that is pretty fire. Okay. So these just come with the app. They're just themes. Yeah, so we did it. This looks amazing. If you guys are in the market to get some new lights, I would suggest the LIFX because this shit is dope. Here we go. So I hope you guys like This video, it was a little bit all over the place, but I just wanted to mash in, you know, the Tesla stuff and my desk setup. Going forward, I will be doing a desk setup video where, you know, I show you guys exactly what I have on my desk. And I, you know, not to toot my own horn, but I think my setup is kind of cool. So I will be doing that very soon. And I will also be updating you guys on the Tesla, how it's doing, you know, if I find anything else, any other issues and have to bring it back to the service center. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. You guys see the subscriber count. I'm not ashamed, you know, we're gonna get there. The road to 1,000 has started and you guys are a part of it. Thank you guys for, you know, supporting. Thank you guys for leaving comments. I'm really appreciative of that, and we're just gonna keep the content coming. We're gonna keep dropping better and better quality videos. I'm gonna be getting a new drone, so that's gonna be sick. Drop a comment, subscribe, like, all that. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.